In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Meet in Google Docs, Sheets, or Slides. This is a convenient feature that allows you to collaborate seamlessly with colleagues or classmates while working in your favorite Google applications. Let's get started. So the first thing you need to do is head over to the Google Meet website. You can easily access it by typing Google Meet into your search engine or directly visiting the Google Meet landing page. Google Meet is a versatile video conferencing tool perfect for virtual meetings, and it integrates smoothly with other Google Workspace apps. Once you're on the Google Meet page, you can prepare to join or initiate a meeting. Next, let's open Google Docs, Sheets, or Slides, depending on which one you need for your collaboration. Instant collaboration with real-time editing is one of the key strengths of Google Workspace, and being able to have a video call running simultaneously enhances this ability tremendously. Simply fire up your desired application. You can do this from your Google Drive or by going to the respective app's direct URL. Once you have your chosen app open, you'll notice a little icon or prompt that says join a call here, usually located in the right sidebar of your document, sheet, or slide deck. Clicking on this option will allow you to link your current document with a Google Meet session. This is where the magic happens. Having the capability to discuss edits and adjustments as they occur makes teamwork more fluid and effective. If you're the meeting organizer, once you've clicked join a call here, you'll be able to start a new meeting or join an ongoing one. If you're joining an existing meeting, you might need a meeting code or link. Make sure you have this from the meeting organizer. For starting a meeting, simply choose your settings and invite your attendees by sharing the invitation link or sending them an invite through email or a calendar event. Now, as you're in the call and ready to collaborate, take advantage of the real-time dialogue. Discuss the content of your document, spreadsheet, or presentation in detail. This function, embedded directly in Docs, Sheets, or Slides, allows for efficiency like never before. It eliminates the need to have multiple tabs open or switch back and forth between apps. To wrap it up, using Google Meet within Google Docs, Sheets, or Slides is an excellent way to enhance your collaborative efforts. From setting up the meeting to having an effective video conference, all while seeing the edits happen in real time, this integrated approach is designed to make your teamwork more efficient and connected. Thank you for joining, and I hope you find this feature as useful as I do. Keep exploring and happy collaborating.